I'm creating this makeup using BH Cosmetic by Anna Bertie. She did an excellent job on this makeup, and so that's why I got inspired through her and I did it. So I usually know what products that I have at home. I did not go out and buy. I'm not sure what products that she used either, and so I just be creative and use what I have at home to recreate the look. And this is what I come up through what I saw, and it's a really fun stuff that I add some glitters and something that is fun for like either fairy or festival that you are ready to go and you want to look extra and glam. And here we go. This is such a cute and beautiful look that you can work with, and it's super fun. Like, this is such a fun makeup for you to create, and if you don't like this color, you can always change it up using a different colors, but it's the same technique. The first product I'm using is Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, and this is going to help my face be hydrated all day, and it's help my makeup to not be flaky. The next products I'm using is Smashbox Minimize Pore, and I'm going to apply that all over my face before I'm applying foundations. I'm using NYX Professional Makeup to shape my eyebrows, and I found that it's less expensive if you are trying to buy Anastasia's. It worked pretty much the same, and I found that it's cheaper to buy in Ulta when it's on sale. So get you guys a bunch because it's worked extremely well. To save time, I'm not going to show you how to create these eyebrows. There's a video that dedicated to eyebrows. Check it out, and I hope to see you there. And I want to give the credit to the person that did this makeup, and I want to try this makeup with this palette right here to recreate that makeup. So let's see if I could able to do that with this palette. The first color that I'm going in with this very light palette is Mesmerize, and is a hot pink that I'm starting off in my inner corner and gradually blend it into my mid-lid. Yes! It's blending very nicely. There is not a far out. I'm so glad. So for this makeup right here, I am going in with a lot of colors right this region. So don't be afraid to go on top of your lid. Yes. Once you think it's pretty blended, we are going in with the different colors. The next color I'm going in is called Twinkling, and is a beautiful oceanic blue. And I'm blending it toward the end and gradually work my way toward the middle to blend it everything in. And I think this is a little bit too dark, but it is okay. It's still pretty. So I'm just gonna try it out. And I'm just basically feathering it out so it could be very well blended, and I'm going to gradually push it toward the top like this. I don't pick any more color right now. I'm just basically blending it to marry two colors together, and I'm using a windshield motion and also circling to blend it in. So I'm using a paint pot to cut crease, and I'm using this Morphe brushes because it's a perfect shape. It's flat and also round on the top, and so I'm going to use that to cut crease. So I'm going to fast this forward just a little bit, and what you're doing is you are trying to create a perfect shapes of like half moon, and you are covering the pink and the blue that you created. So whenever we apply the golden on the lid, it's going to pop and shiny and extremely beautiful. The next color that I'm applying is Luminous into the inner corner of my eyes and gradually work my way toward my lid where I just cut crease. Gold, I can see that she has similar gold on her lid right here. So I'm going to put some gold color, and this color is Darling, and I'm gonna apply on top of that. Let's see what happened. And ooh, yes, it's so smooth and it's so pretty. Now I'm going back to the original colors, which is Mesmerizing Pink, and I'm going to apply it where the middle and toward the end of my lid on the area where I cut crease, and we are blending in and keep using this technique until everything's going to look seamlessly. We are going back with the blue that we picked, which is Twinkling, and I'm going to apply at this region, and I'm going to blend it in. And I'm going to take this under here, I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to shade it in so it will not be too of a harsh line. But I do a very perfect edge like this. I do like the perfect edge, but I'm gonna highlight it in so it's going to blend out more versus too much. And I'm going to bring it under here. And I'm going to go back and put some pink toward the middle. And I'm going to use a brushes that I've used before to highlight, and I'm gonna highlight under my tear ducts. Next, I'm using Heavy Metal by Urban Decay, and I'm going to draw the line where I divided the crease line, and careful placing on top of the crease line and just creating a little stroke and continue on until your satisfactions. So I'm going to grab a Luminous, and I'm gonna apply right on top of this edge right here to cast the reflection of against the light. Next, I'm using a eyeliner pen by Essence. This is a very affordable and also creating a beautiful look eyeliners. I love this whenever I'm trying to create a cat eye eyeliners, and it's rich of colors, it's black, and also it's going to last all day, and it's not going to be chunky at all. Keep applying on top and is amazing. Apply your favorite eyelashes, and I chose this one because it is extremely beautiful, is volumized, and is lengthening. Everything is in one package. if there's ever a time that you mess up like this, whenever you have mascara on, just wait until it's dry and then you can clean it off. So I'm not gonna mess with it until it's actually dry completely. If you don't have a wipes, you can always cover it with makeup. Going to work my other eye, so I'll be right back. For foundation, I'm using Missha BB Cream, and this is number 27 to cover all my imperfections. Next, I'm going to highlight my face using Tarte Shape Tape, and this color is light neutrals. And go ahead and blend it in where the spot that you want to light up your face. Use the same beauty sponge, and I'm going to blend it in. Next product I'm using is a Hoola bronzers from Benefit, and I'm going to contour my face and my nose. I'm going to fast forward this because I have dedicated a video for contouring, and so this process is going to be skipped. And then I'm using a ColourPop. This is the highlighters, and the color is Flexitarian, and I'm going to dust on my forehead right here, just a little bit. I'm going to use a angle small brush. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a dot vertical right here. And I'm also going to highlight the bridge of my nose, creating a taller looking nose. So I'm gonna go into the ColourPop, and this is Flirt. And I'm gonna apply on my cheek for rosiness. And actually you can see this color is like, what a shock, you know? But then whenever you apply it on your skin, it's not like that. It's very sudden and beautiful and elegant. This is the Wet n Wild, and this is the gel lip liners. And what I love about this is that it's a twisting instead of sharpening, because I hate anything that is sharpened. It's just nobody going to have a sharpener around them all the time. Even if you go on a vacation and you pack a sharpener, that just don't make sense. And so I hate anything that is sharpened on the road. I like something that is twisting, so it's much easier. And I'm going to outline my lips. And you guys, this is such a great product and also very, very good price. What I like to do too is actually shade it in. This is going to help your color last longer. I'm going to use Blossom, and this is the full on lip cream. And oh my god, it smells so good, so juicy, and it's not sticky, you guys. On top of that, it makes your lips plump and a little bit tingly, so it's really fun. So I'm gonna add some color, and this I got it from AliExpress. I will link the information below, so if you want to get this, you can get it. It's like $1 or $2. I can't remember, but it's so pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that on top of this part. Ooh. Yes. Ooh, it's very sticky. And I'm gonna add right here. And then I'm going to add right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up, click subscribe, and ring the bell for notification. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.